Good morning, students. How are you? I hope you are all safe and sound. Okay, today's science lesson, plants and animals and their environment. Plants, animals and their environment, page number 90 and 91. Please take out your science course book, open page number 90 and 91. Okay, now let's start. Understand that different plants and animals live in different environment. So how the environment looks depends on how much water there is. Environment of any place is dependent on the water. How much water is present in that particular place. So here in this chapter I will show you what to learn or what to understand. First thing, I will show you that there are many types of environments, or in other words we can say habitats are there to discuss various plants and animals. So they have given one exercise on page number 90. See, they have given 5 habitats or 5 environments, and in each environment they have given the names of the animals which are common in that particular environment. They have given the word bank also, and we have to select the animals according to the environment. So the first one is worm sea, and they are asking if you know other animals, you can add those two. So first we should know in the warm seas the temperature of the water is high. They have given one word, one name, tuna. After that, what I have searched, the another animal which you can write is turtle. So first one is tuna, the second one is turtle. Apart from this, I have taken two another names. You can read warm sea, tuna is written in your book, turtle you have selected from the word bank. Now the third one is bluefin, and the fourth one is shark. Okay, the fourth one is shark. Now let's come to the second environment, that is coastal fog woodlands. So they are asking the animals which are common in coastal fog woodlands. They have given warbler and oryx. Warbler and oryx. Oryx you will write from the word bank. See here it is written oryx, O-R-Y-X. Now after that I have taken two more animals related to this environment. One is ovenbird and the second one is grey catbird. It is only for your knowledge. I am not saying learn it, only you are going to learn what is given in the book or what you are writing in the book. This is only for your learning. Okay. Now the third one, reeds and toads. They are related to wetlands. The lands which are wet, or you can say that they have a lot of rainfall. There the first one is reeds and the second one is toad. Toad is simply same as frog, but the skin of toad is different from the frog. Dark brown patches are present on the skin of the toad. So after that I have written two more names in the wetland environment. First reeds in your book, toads from the word bank, then bobcats and minks. This you have to read it properly. It's enough for you. Now the fourth one. Grasslands and mountains. In grasslands and mountains, goat, and the second one from the word bank is sheep. Sheep. So you will write it here, goat and sheep. Apart from this, grassland and mountains, goat, sheep, you have done. Now zebra is also common, lion, cheetah, these animals you can write it or learn it. It is up to you. Now the fifth one, that is desert. Here the common animals are camels, scorpion, and I wrote here fennec fox, wild Bactrian camel. This camel, you can write wild camel also, and it has two humps. You see na, hump like this in the camel body. See the picture. No, it's not a, I will show you. Like this you will see the hump on the body of the backbone of the camels, like this. But in these camels you will see two humps like this, and if you search you can find it, the wild camels. I will read it again for you so that you can remember. Warm sea, common animals are tuna, turtle, bluefin, shark. Coastal folk, woodlands, warbler, oryx, ovenbird, grey catbird. Wetlands, reeds, toads, bobcats, minks. Grassland and mountains, goat, sheep, zebra, lion, cheetah. Now desert animals, camel, scorpion, fennec fox, wild Bactrian camel, which has two humps. Okay, so in this way you will learn about the various animals which are found in different habitats or in different environment. So you will complete like this. See, warm sea, tuna and turtle, coastal folk, woodlands, warbler and oryx, then wetlands, reeds and toad, grasslands and mountains, goat and sheep, desert, camel and scorpion. Okay, now complete it and show it to me. Thanks for listening. Bye.